galamsey sensem muna swafo hwe nsase ene fama gudie to honsensem so nyanfo Emmanuel Kofi Boa e de atodwa se nipa be se oha empem ene ahanson 1700 ana ban atete omusabre se Blue Water Guard mensini be se ene mantem be se nson de omumwa no mo ensom ewom ne amane boni kodwobre ekodwumadi na sibia ode nsem ya atodwa
Diabeye na galamsa SS man yiye nso ni ensase ne obade ne pode adomye no eto betimi atwenti enam so ma Safo no hwe ensase ne obade ne pode adomye eso nimonyamfo Emmanuel Kofi Boa oda tudwa wo chesa ban na tete emabunu maako 1700 awon edi wonjuma ewo Blue Water Guards emu a oba behwe no akọ galamsa nu de fro man yi emu wo chesa wo mo eba beso ye Ghana Navy na afenso eye nan mosasene sedebe ya wonyina ne betimi aka wo ho abomu no autu galamsey no asekra ede from my Ghana mu ha what is ansem we nyina no etudwa wa abra emmabuna won akwaje ntete ewo Blue Water Guards emu ya won dodo no eye 630 wo pon won ho ewo Elembele district eno nimunyamfo ede sansemi etu edwa neno anso ha wasanso ekire se aban no aso wasena wodi motorbikes mako 1000 ena wode ma wo sedebe ye no ni betimi aboye pe no akona bade wo ndwumadie no eno ebetimi ajabrane ede ama wo mo ensem say eno nimonyamfo Emmanuel Kofi Boa edito kantanka kwansosem enim.
You are not going to be walking this walk alone. We will continue to support you even in your communities. We will do everything possible to provide the logistics you need. I'm happy to announce that working closely with the Minerals Commission, we have procured 1,000 motorbikes for the Blue Water Guards. We believe that this fight, we will win. We will win because of you. The people of Ghana are counting on you. And we believe that even God will protect you in this fight. You will win because you are doing the right thing. Blue Water Guards! Blue Water Guards! Blue Water Guards! Congratulations.